Okay, and now we're gonna have to remove this mirror. And how you gonna do that? We're gonna have to open the door, remove the panel card. If you don't know how to remove the panel card, check the other video which I already made to check how you can remove the panel card, and after you can move forward to remove the mirror. Okay, so anyway, you're gonna find the video in the description below. Okay, let's push this plug. Let's lift it up. Here we're gonna have to remove this rubber. Okay, here we're gonna find these 3 nuts. Okay, so we're gonna have to remove them with 10 mil socket. Okay, so let's take them out. Make sure when you remove the final nut to hold the wire so don't drop the mirror. Okay, anyway, this mirror is gonna lock here, but it's much safer when you just hold the cable and come in this side, shake it a bit, push this lock out, and it's gonna come out very easy. Okay, so this is the way how you remove the mirror for this Toyota Prius from 2018. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, you can give me 1 like, subscribe. If you enjoy the video, you can share it with your friends. Maybe you're gonna help them out. If you like to support the channel, go to my website snstuning.co and help me out to keep up with the videos and with this great content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.